Guadalupe, goodbye. Or she's in the box here. Saying goodbye. Bye, Our Lady of Guadalupe. I love you. Listening. Our Lady of Guadalupe. I love you. Goodbye. Our Lady of Guadalupe. Wish daw ay asan. Bye-bye, Our Lady of Guadalupe. Ang iyang entourage. The entourage eh. Kumanaman ang mga bearer. Ang mga bearer ni Our Lady of Guadalupe. Thanks for visiting San Pedro Cathedral, Our Lady of Guadalupe. Oh, gusto siya magmahal.
Babaw, babaw.
Sakay siya. Bye-bye, Our Lady of Guadalupe.
Buhat ko sa bakal, sa bakal.
Go! Oh, bye-bye, Our Lady. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Our Lady of Guadalupe. See, this is Sard. Sard. Wala ang entourage niya. Ah.
Bye-bye. Mangita tayo, papayos ka din itong pag-deliver.
Bye, Our Lady of Guadalupe. Thanks for visiting the Our Lady of Guadalupe.
I-plus na ako nagkaroon
Visit your Essential
Plus
Cathedral.
mo ko niron. Ako ibig sa gabi, hapon.
This is our car. Worship of clear, transferred. Bye-bye, Our Lady of Guadalupe. Oh, the Our Lady of Guadalupe Philippine Pilgrimage 2026. Her last day today, she'll be transferred to another cathedral. But here is still in Tagum, Davao del Norte. Ay, she's going to Tagum. Yan ay ang tarpaulin. Virgin Maria, madayaw na pag-abot-abot. Bye-bye, Our Lady of Guadalupe. Heart, star. She is in car. Inside.
Oh, sino yun?
Joel po.
Ha?
Joel.
Joel?
Bye-bye, Our Lady of Guadalupe. May picture tayo dito. Sa gilid, no? Bye-bye, picture ko rin. Hindi ko kayo inyong ko ang pilgrimage car. Pilgrimage car of Our Lady of Guadalupe. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for visiting Our Lady of Guadalupe. Bye-bye. Thanks for visiting San Pedro Cathedral Church. Oh.